guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this eye look on my eyes. I decided to go with the blues, kind of give my eyes a little bit of a spotlight, kind of blend some green teal color on my lower lash line just to kind of make something a little bit more different than yesterday's video. This is something very out of my comfort zone. I like color, but I like color to a certain extent. I feel like I just wouldn't wear this to the holidays unless I am wearing like a super basic outfit and I want my face full beat. Then I would wear something like this, but I feel like this is more for the girl that likes color, you like to experiment with color, you're more of a go-getter, you know what I mean? This is for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So if you did miss out on yesterday's video, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it linked up here so you can check that video out. To me, it's something a bit more wearable, sexy, sultry, but glam. Something more for the nighttime, you know what I mean? And it doesn't necessarily have to be for the holidays like I always say in these videos. You can definitely rock it for a girl's night out. And if you're not yet a part of our T-Squad family, you would like to join, don't forget to subscribe in the link below. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so YouTube alerts you when I upload tomorrow's video and any other video coming after that one. So turn on your post notification bell. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started into today's eye look tutorial. Let's do this. Let's get the show on the road. Let's keep it moving. I have my tea ready. Anyone else's birthday month out there? It's my birthday month, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Orphe. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Morphe M441. At the end of these 10 days, I'm gonna go ahead and do a separate review, just kind of speaking about the whole palette and kind of letting you guys know if I think the palette is worth it or like the pros, the cons, and all of that good stuff. I'm looking at the palette and I'm like, what am I gonna do? Literally, what am I gonna do? So I'm actually just gonna jump into this blue shadow right here. And I'm gonna begin by applying this on the outer part of my eye. Oh, this is pigmented, yo, pigmented. I'm gonna begin by applying this on the outer portion of my eye. Yeah, so there's definitely fallout, like definitely fallout with this one. I'm actually gonna take my BH Cosmetics 122, which is a dome looking brush, and because this one has a lot of fallout, I'm gonna begin by applying it and then I'm gonna go back in and blend it. So I really just want to experiment with the colors, play around, but create more wearable, realistic looks for myself. So I'm gonna go back into my blending brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend these two shadows together, kind of connect them. So just back and forth, I just want to connect the two and kind of blend out the edges. As you guys can see, it kind of turns into a baby blue kind of color. I'm going to deepen up everything with this blue shadow here, which is a bit more darker and intense than the first one, and intensify the blue a little bit more. So I'm just going to pack it right on top. I love the intensity. I love the gradient. I am living. I'm going to take my blending brush and again, just blend back and forth the edges. I'm basically just going to connect the two and kind of blend the edges. I'm going to take a clean blending brush. This is the M411 by Morphe, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend the edges just so that everything looks nice and blown out. There's no harshness going around between the dark blue and then the baby blue up here, so I'm just going to go ahead and lightly blend everything together. So I'm now taking the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Liquid Waterproof Concealer in the shade Light Cool. I'm going to take some and I'm actually going to apply some to the back of my hand and work from there. And I'm now just going to take a flat brush and I'm going to coat my brush really nice and coated, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut my lid. And what I like to do is I like to stamp it, look all the way up. That is like a perfect trick. And then where it ends, which is right here, that's where you want to cut. So once I've cut, I'm going to go ahead and take my blending brush and kind of blend the edges inwards because I don't want that separation going on. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend inwards. Now I'm just going to take a flat brush and I'm actually going to coat my brush with some Morphe setting spray. And I really want the center to pop, so I'm actually going to take this shade here just because this is more of like a highlighting shade. I'm going to go ahead and place it on the lid. I'm not going to lie, these shimmery shadows are not as intense as I would want them to be. So I'm actually just going to mix the two shimmery shadows. Taking a very small detailed dome brush, and I'm just going to pick up some of the two blue shadows to pack them on the inner and the outer part of my eye, just so I can deepen up that area a little bit more. And with the same brush, I'm just going to go in and blend those two shadows out. It is super messy, and what I am noticing is that there is a ton of fallout. Yesterday I did have fallout too, but I feel like it wasn't as intense as the blues, so something to keep in mind. I'm just gonna go ahead and dust away the powder. Let me see if I have any blue. Nope. So the powder definitely, it did help. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this side. So now I'm actually going to do the lower lash line right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply some false lashes because I feel like we're almost good to go. I'm now just going to take some Morphe liner in the shade Poolside. I'm going to go ahead and tight. Ooh, this has shimmer in it. I have not seen that. Okay, let's see if this will work. Okay, so it has some kind of shimmer, and I didn't necessarily do it all the way on inside my waterline. I actually did it underneath my waterline as well. And I'm actually going to smoke it out with a green color. So I'm actually going to take this dark green and I might mix in some of this light one too to kind of set the liner in place, just because it does have like a green iridescence to it. Now going back into the palette, I'm actually going to take this shade here and I'm going to mix it in with this one, and that's what we're going to pop in our inner corner for glow. And I'm just going to pop it right there. I should apply something like this. Alright guys, and this is the finished and completed look. I went with the darker lip just because I feel like I've been doing nude lips recently and I wanted something a little bit more different, and I feel like it kind of goes with the whole vibe. But yeah guys, this was day number 2. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like these videos so far. Also, if you did miss yesterday's video, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it linked up here and somewhere on the screen so you can check it out. But yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed number 2, and I will catch you guys tomorrow for day number 3. Bye guys.